Hello there and welcome back. My name is Robin and it is a Thrift Store Thursday and I have found some very fun things to share with you guys this week. So let's go ahead and jump into today's haul. So the very first thing that I found was actually something for my daughters. I wasn't sure who would want them, but I gave the oldest one first dibs, and she's like, these are awesome, these are amazing, I love them, so she got them. And it's a set of glasses. There were 4 of them, and they are really into like the dark colored glass, so I found these little cups for her. There is a set of 4 of them, and I picked them up for $3.99, and I just think they're so cute, and they've got nice, you probably have seen these before. They just thought this was the coolest thing ever, and it's in that, dark ruby red glass. And they are, which I couldn't read at the thrift store because I didn't have my glasses with me, but they are Avon. So I just think they're super cute, and like I said, there's a set of 4 of them. So she was pretty excited about that. So the next thing I found was a vintage gardening book from 1972, and it was a whopping $2, and I am in love with the illustration on the front and the back. Look at this. How adorable is this? I mean, I love this side, but then I love this side as well. How adorable. Just love the colors on this. I think it is so cool. So the inside is kind of lackluster in the fact that it's just a 3-ring binder. I'm not really like into too much of it. I don't know. I'm not very impressed with the book itself, but I have other vintage gardening books that I've read from cover to cover. But this one I picked up mostly for the illustration. I just think it is so cool. The colors on it I think are so fun. So loving that for $2. So this next item, I could not believe it. I actually saw a different one, and it was in really rough condition in a different color. And I was so sad because I didn't want to pay the amount they're asking for it because it was in such rough condition. I mean, it was completely almost falling apart. I can't even believe they were trying to sell it, to tell you the truth. So I was kind of sad that I had to pass it up, but that's all right because I turned the corner, went down the next aisle, and I found this vintage jewelry box in much better condition. It was $6.99. And I love the white and gold. It's got a few scuff marks. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, like right there. But the inside, you guys, look at this, is red. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And I love that when you open the top, the little drawer comes open too. Isn't that fun? I just love this. I think it is so cool. $6.99 I didn't think was a very bad price at all. This is a big jewelry box. So I have another smaller one that's probably only about this tall, and that's in the creamy white and gold, and I love that one. But this sucker, I don't know. This is like the biggest one I have so far. I have a pink one that my mom gave me, but it's slightly smaller than this. But yeah, I just love it. And I could not be more thrilled that they had it there sitting on the shelf just waiting for me. So that brings me to my very last item of the day. And this is probably my favorite item, and I don't know why I love it so much, but I just totally do. It is a candle holder, and it was $3.99, and it looks like this. It's got the nice glass globe on the top, and then look at this base, you guys. Isn't this the coolest? It's like I don't know what you call it. It's brass, but it's like the antique looking brass. And then this awesome handle. It's like perfect for holding. And then I don't know if you can see it or not, but it does have these little flanges on the inside here that go inside the glass to hold it on there nice and secure. So I can like carry this all over the house, which I do tend to do. I have a few other ones that are like, the kind that you're supposed to carry around, and I do carry them around. I love getting up in the morning and like just putting on candles and just kind of take my first hour or so by candlelight. I think it is so much fun, and this one is definitely going to be thrown into the mix for me to use. And of course, to use when I wanted to burn some candles as well. So I am loving this. I think it is so, so cool. It doesn't have any markings on the bottom or anything, but I saw it, I picked it up, and I was so impressed with how heavy it was. And I just love the color and the patina on it. And the fact that it's got the globe on the top just makes it so much cooler to me and much more like the beloved oil lamps that I love so much. So I think this is the coolest thing, and I'm so thrilled to have found it. So that was the last item that I found this week, and I am so thrilled with it and everything else that I found. I hope you guys enjoyed today's haul. I would love to know what you think down in the description box. Leave me a comment, let me know, and of course, if you have not yet done so, hit that subscribe and the like button as well. Hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.